is serious on it. We are committed.
Shillong witnessed various observations of International Women's Day today. The Meghalaya State Commission for Women, in collaboration with St. Anthony's College Shillong, supported by the National Commission for Women today, organized the National Parliament for Women held at the Auditorium St. Anthony's College Shillong. The District Legal Services Authority, East Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority under the aegis of National Legal Services Authority, also organized a street play on Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act at Police Bazaar. Angela Rangat of the Thama Urangli Juki used this occasion to remind everyone of the radical origins of Women's Day and about how it was originally about improving lives and securing rights of ordinary working women.
That 8th March is about all of us. It is about ordinary women, struggling women, and it is not a greeting card day where suddenly governments, corporations, corporate governments wake up and start greeting us and wishing especially successful women or beautiful women, because it's not about that. It's about our everyday struggles to usher in a more equal world and a society where being equal is a society that moves forward and that expands freedoms for everyone.
Meghalaya Police today launched MegCop Watch, the mobile app